my channel Anita's Vlog. So today I am going to make a very tasty Malabar style fish biryani. So first I will show you the ingredients needed. We need 2 medium sized onions, 1 big tomato sliced into pieces. Then this is fennel seed crushed. So this is one of the main ingredient in Malabar style biryanis. Then we need yogurt. Then this is fish masala, garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder, and this is coriander powder. Then we have fried cashew nuts and fried raisins. I have taken almost 20 cashew nuts and raisins. Then this is fried onions. I have taken 3 small onions to fry. Then this is cumin seeds, cloves, 3 of them, then cardamom also. Then we need cinnamon and 2 small bay leaves. Then this is also one of the special ingredient. This is crushed chili and ginger garlic paste mixed together. Then we need ginger garlic paste. So for this recipe I am only taking half kilo of fish. Then we need 1.5 cup of washed rice. So for half kilo of fish I am taking 1.5 cup of washed jeera gasala rice. Then we need some coriander leaves and some mint leaves. So first we will marinate our fish. For that I am adding half tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then we need half tablespoon of fish masala. Then 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then you need 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And also we need 1 tablespoon of yogurt. No, that's enough. Now we'll mix this well. So now our masala is mixed well. So I'm going to add the fish pieces. So when you're cutting the fish, you have to make sure it is a bit thick. Now we'll mix it well. Now I have mixed everything well, and I forgot to show you the salt in the ingredients. I have also added salt, and now everything is mixed well. Now we'll marinate this for at least 2 hours. It is good if you marinate it more. So I'm going to marinate it for 2 hours. So now we'll cook the rice. For that, into some water, I'm going to add 2 small bay leaves, 1 piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 3 cloves, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then we'll give it a small mix. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of ghee. I'm adding this ghee because otherwise the rice will get stick. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now we'll add some salt. That's enough. Now we'll wait until the water is well boiled. So now our water is well boiled. So we'll add our rice. So what you have to remember while boiling rice is that you have to only add the rice when the water is completely boiled. So if you don't want to bite these spices in your biryani, you could remove it when the water is boiled. Now this fish is marinated for 2 hours. So we will fry it. So I am frying it in a double fryer. You can use a normal non-stick frying pan also. I have added some oil and the oil is also hot. Now we'll add in the fish pieces. So now our fish is fried well. So now we will make the masala for the biryani. For that, first I'm going to add some oil into a hot pan. I'm using coconut oil. Okay, that's enough. Now we'll wait until the oil is hot. So now our oil is hot. We'll add the onions. So this is 2 medium-sized onions. Okay, that's enough. Now we'll again mix it well. So now our onions are a bit cooked. We'll add the ginger garlic paste and the crushed green chili. So I'm adding this 1 tablespoon and we'll mix it very well. So now we'll wait until the onions are completely cooked. Then we'll add the tomato. So now our onions are cooked well. We'll add the tomatoes. So I have not peeled the skin of the tomato. Now we have to cook it until the tomatoes are smushy. So now we'll add the powders. So I'm going to add half tablespoon of chili powder. Yeah. Then this is fish masala, also half tablespoon. Then we need garam masala, half teaspoon is enough. Then coriander powder, also half tablespoon. Then turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. That's enough. Now we'll mix it well. So when you're marinating the fish, you should also add some turmeric powder. I just forgot to add it. So now we will cook this powders well until the raw smell is gone. Then we add 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. So you don't need to make it into powder, you just need to crush it. Next we'll add next we'll add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Okay, then we'll mix it well. Then we'll add some mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Then we'll again mix it well. So now we'll add some fried onions. This is one of the main ingredient in this recipe. So I'm going to take some and just make it into powders. And we have to mix it well. So this is one of the main ingredient in Malabar style biryanis. So now our very tasty masala is ready. Now I'm going to add all the pieces to the masala. So now this fish and masala, I will close cook it for 2 minutes in low flame. So now our fish and masala is cooked well. So I'm going to put it into another plate. So next I am add some ghee in the plate in which we are going to mix everything. And So I mix some lemon juice and some turmeric powder into some rice to get a yellow color. So first I am going to add some rice into the pan. The first layer is rice. Okay, that's enough. Next, I'm going to add some masala. And also some pieces of fish. That's enough. Then again we'll add another layer of rice. So next I'm going to add some fried onion. Just a little. You have to add one more layer. Then some fried cashew nuts. And also some fried raisins. Then again we'll add another layer of masala. Then also another layer of fish. So next we'll add another layer of rice. So I'm going to add the complete rice. So this is the final layer with some fried onions. Then some cashew nuts. And also some raisins. Then I'm going to add some coriander leaves chopped. And also a little bit of ghee. Okay, that's enough. Now we will close it and cook it in low flame for 5 minutes. So now the biryani is cooked for 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. A nice smell is coming. So next I'm going to serve it to my siblings. So now it is serving time for my baby sister and my brother. So I'm going to take it. Look, it looks very tasty. Now for my baby sister. Okay, so this is my dates pickle. I have also did a video, and please don't forget to see that video also. Then yogurt. Okay. So Achu and Ullu, how is the fish biryani?
Super.
Ullu, do you like they both like the biryani. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye. Bye. Ullu, bye, Bara.
Bye. what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong.